Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher Message Assembly, 25th of January, 2021. We know that we want to focus on how we can be strong to live our best lives and always be doing our best. And we know that at Grange, we say it's to do with character strength, who you truly are inside yourself, and that can help you to solve any problem that you face in life. You just ask, which character strength am I going to need and am I going to use? We say all the character strengths, they divided into 6 virtues. So, number one is wisdom. We need to think deeply about the choices that we make. It's not enough to just be clever, but we need to think deeply. We need to use all our experience. We need to be courageous. We need to use courage. So when we need to take action, we need to have a task to do, we go for it. But then temperance, we've always got to find balance. So we don't get overexcited, overheated. We don't get too cool and not care. We find the balance in the middle. And then we do everything with humanity. We do everything with kindness inside us. And we realize that kindness is strength. And then when we are in a group, we understand we always in a community, whether it's just our family or whether it's our friends or whether it's our people around us, our classmates, whether it is people who live in the same town or city or neighborhood or everybody in the world, we need to behave in the right way, and that is called justice. And then sometimes we need to go to that extra level, like when you forgive somebody or when you're really grateful to somebody, you can go to the higher level. Now, today we want to focus on the virtue, which is a good thing, of justice. And justice means to do the right thing. And the character strength that we're focusing on today is called fairness. And when you are fair, what that actually means is you do the right thing for everybody. You give everybody an equal chance to get treated in the right way. This person, I came across her last week. She is only 22 years old. She is the national poet, youth poet of the United States of America. And she wrote a poem and performed it at the inauguration, which means the beginning of the presidency of the new president of the United States of America, Joe Biden. And in her poem, she said, we need to try and build a country, and I think this applies to the whole world, that cares about all cultures, colors, characters, and conditions of man. We need to learn to put our differences aside and reach out our arms to one another. And we need to know that when we are in this world, we need to make this a fair and a good world. And I think she wrote it so beautifully. If you get a chance, see if you can read her poem or watch her perform her poem. But it's all about making the world a better place. Now, to make the world a better place, we need a fair world, a world that looks right and is right for all of us, no matter what religion, culture, color, language we speak, all of us as human beings. And that's why I've got the Great Grange Reading Challenge. So get reading, because when you read, you can really get into the mind, into the existence of somebody else, and you can travel worlds from actually the comfort of your own bed. So reading is an amazing way to help you to play your part in making the world a more fair place. So here are 3 very powerful fairness commitments. Number 1, let's value diversity. Diversity means when we see the richness in all of us and the differences with all of us. If we get together and we're all different, but then we can be like a really strong team and all of us help us to be a greater team together. We can celebrate the difference. We love the fact that each one of us is unique, like Odd Socks Day. And we can be anti-racist because we do not tolerate that at all. Everybody should be treated equally. Everybody should be treated with fairness. And that's when you see what problem does fairness solve, the character strength of fairness. Well, it makes the whole world a better place if we all live with that character strength of fairness. That's the Grange CC way. Confidence for ourselves to be who we are and consideration for everybody in the world to make it a fair place. And that's our philosophy for life. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential and let's be great. Let's be Grange.